Hi, I'm Kep, a driving tester in New South Wales. I'm sick of failing learner drivers, so I created this channel to help you out. Let's go. I'm going to help you remember who goes first at intersections. As you approach an intersection, prepare to stop. Is there a give way sign, a traffic light? What if the light doesn't have a turn arrow and we want to turn right? Don't panic, let's break it down together. At unmarked intersections like this one, this is the order the cars go in. Straight, left, right. Straight goes first, and left is next. Then right. Straight, left, right. So here, you want to turn right, but there is a car on the other side of the intersection with their left turn signal on. Who goes first? Say to yourself, straight, left, right, and you'll have your answer. Left goes before you, then you can turn right. Next, let's dive into traffic lights. When you see a green light without a green arrow, know your options. If going straight, proceed if the intersection is clear. For left turns, give way to any crossing pedestrians. When turning right without a green arrow, give way to vehicles travelling straight and turning left and crossing pedestrians. You're the last to go. Pro tip: sometimes pedestrians get the green light at the same time as cars do. Execute the turn only when there's a safe gap. Remember, the vehicles turning right are the last to go. Comment your driving test question and subscribe for more tips. Let's get you your Ps.